Today I got the Monster Energy stickers. Lately I've been just decking out all the stickers here. We're decking out all the bikes. This camera doesn't pick up light too well, so I gotta use my desk light. Yeah, I got my mini bike right here in my room. I got the Monster Energy on the tank. The front number plate, I know you can't really see that too well, or maybe you can. Got the new green grips, new brake pads, so the brakes work perfect. I got more stickers than I needed, so on my gas tank of my 1970 Honda Z50 hardtail, both sides. On the back of my helmet, that's the giant sticker, I didn't know where I could put it.